for Sally. Sally wants a dog. Can I have a dog? Sally asks Mom and Dad. The dogs are free. She says, the dog food isn't free, said Dad. Taking care of a dog is a lot of work, said Mom. You can't have a dog, said Mom and Dad. Sally visits Mr. Lee and her dog, Schuster. Taking care of a dog is a lot of work, said Mr. Lee. I don't have time for Scooter, she says. I can help, says Sally. Sally works and feeds Scooter. You did a great job, said Mr. Lee. Can you help every day? She asked. Sally works and feeds Scooter every day. At the end of the week, Mr. Lee pays Sally. You take a good care of Scooter, she says. I can take care of a dog, Sally says. I can help pay for a dog food, she says. You show us that you can take care of a dog, said Mom and Dad. They go to the shelter. Sally gets a nice dog. Now she takes care of her dog